Hello and welcome to another Bodgit and Leggit video. Now this is going to show you how to reset the service light on a Skoda Roomster. This is a 2011 one, and when you turn the ignition on, as you can see, it bleeps service and the spanner light is flashing. So what you need to do is turn off the ignition, press and hold the 00 button, turn on the ignition, wait until it actually resets. Then what you need to do is press the little page button, turn off the ignition, turn it back on again, and boom, there we go. Now, if you want to know how many miles are left to the next service, if you press, oh, I just went past it there, and we can see 9,400 miles to the next service. Sorted! There we go. So that's how to reset a service light on a 2011 Skoda Roomster. Hope this helped. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget, links up here, links down there. Check out my Instagram, Facebook and Patreon. But most importantly, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted.